Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to show you how to connect your Hostinger email to your Gmail account. Now, there are a few steps and they are all very important, so make sure you watch all the way to the end to get this done properly. Let's jump in. On your Hostinger homepage, you want to go from the top of the page on your menu and tap on emails. Now, this is what your email account looks like, and you're going to go over to the manage button. Once you have gone over here, you can see that this is your email account. We're going to go ahead and copy this for now. We're going to then jump into Gmail. Okay, once we jump into Gmail, we're going to go ahead and navigate to the top right of the page, and we're going to hit the settings cog, and here we're going to tap on see all settings. Now, from this menu, you're going to look for accounts and import. And here we're going to look for the option that says send mail as. And just underneath your main email address, you're going to tap on add another email address. Now it'll open up another window where you will basically go ahead and enter your name as well as your email address that you would like to connect. This is the email address that we previously copied. We're going to go ahead and we are going to tap on next step. The next thing you want to do is jump back into your Hostinger account, and on the left hand side from the menu you're going to see connected apps and devices. You want to click on that. Now once you click on that, you will see that there is a connected apps and devices window, and here is all the information we need. Now that previous window that we opened has some information that it needs. So over here it needs an SMTP server. It also needs your username, and it needs a password, and then also needs a port. So if we go like this, you can see over here, this is your SMTP host name over here. So this is the one that we want to copy. And the port number, which is 465, we want to make sure that we're entering that in there. So first of all, that is our SMTP server, and our port is 465. Our username should be the email address of your Hostinger account. So again, we're going to go ahead and type that in, and then you want to enter in the password that you entered in that is associated with this email address. We're going to go ahead and tap on add account. And what's going to happen here is it'll ask if you want to save the username and password. I'm going to go ahead and say save. And here you will have to confirm that you actually own this email address. Okay, so what's happened is this has actually been sent to your email account. So we're going to go up on the left hand side to email accounts, and if you scroll a little bit down, you will see email accounts, your email address, and on the right hand side you will see a webmail option. You're going to tap on this, and this will basically allow you to sign in with this email address and check your inbox. Now in this inbox you can see there's a Gmail team email, and over here you will have a confirmation link. Okay, so just over here, you're going to tap on this, and it's going to say, please confirm mail sending as this email address, and we're going to go ahead and tap on confirm. So from here, what we're going to do is jump back into our settings in Gmail, and we're going to go ahead and look for the check emails from other accounts, and we're going to tap on add an email account. Now again, essentially we are going to add that same email account, and as you can see, it has been added here automatically. We're going to tap on next, and here we're going to make sure that it says import emails from my other account, and we're going to tap on next. So from here you're going to go ahead, and in the username you're going to go ahead and put your email address in again, your password again, and we need a POP server and a port number, right? So again, we're going to go into our web browser, and we're going to jump into the email accounts, and on the left hand side, connect apps and devices again, and we're going to go down to that connect apps and devices window. Over here you can see the incoming server, the POP, and here is the host name. So we're going to copy this host name, and then we're going to just recall this port number 995. So we can jump back into this window over here, and we're going to make sure that that is entered in as we copied it, and our port number we're going to change to 995. Now, what you can do just over here at the bottom is always use a secure connection. That is a good toggle switch on, and then you can also label your incoming messages so that you know that it's coming from that email address. We can just toggle that on, and we're going to go ahead and tap on add account. Now this will take a few seconds, and we're going to go back into our Gmail account. Now from our Gmail account, you're going to go out of settings and back into your inbox, and in your inbox you will actually see a confirmation email from Gmail again. Over here, you're going to click the confirmation link, and as we did previously, it says please confirm mail sending as, and we're going to tap on confirm. And just like that, you can now go ahead back into your Gmail account, and everything that comes into that hosting a mail will be received in your Gmail account. So if you go into accounts and import, you can see over here your email address should be listed under the send mail as. You can see that it's over here, and then also the check emails from other accounts, and you can see it over here. Now, if this is not here, then you've maybe missed a step and you need to just go through it again. But if you followed all the steps, this is what it'll look like, and all your email accounts will be in one place. If this was helpful, drop us a like. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments section below. We'd love to hear from you, and we'll see you in another awesome video. Peace out.